Hey folks, it's Wade the Shoe Dog. Hey, we had a pretty good time at the Gavica studio about a month ago having a DIY clinic, and basically we're gonna do it again. If making shoes seems like something you want to do, well, hey, listen, folks. A lot of people think you can't do it. The answer is you totally can. If you're anywhere in Southern California, then come on down to the Gavica studio. I'm going to put the details on the screen in a second, but we are doing another in person DIY clinic. Link is in the description below. Basically, sign up, pick out the kind of shoe you want to make. Bring, I'll bring the shoe parts to the studio. You and I and Eric and whoever else can get there is going to build shoes. It's going to be a good time. It's Saturday and Sunday. Here, let's get the schedule up here. It is going to be Saturday and Sunday, December 7th and 8th from 10 to 4. You don't have to make the entire session. If you can make most of it, that's good enough. We'll show you how to do this. But basically, you're going to learn how to make shoes 100% by hand using the kit. Um, Eric and I are going to be there to help you. We're going to have a good time. We're going to make some shoes. We'll take a break for lunch. We'll walk down the street, get some tacos. I guarantee it's going to be a good time. We had a blast last time. The Gavica studio, there's always a lot of action, people coming in with their shoes, and we're having a good time. Um, Listen, you can do it. If you've been waiting for a chance to get some pros to help you, well, now's your chance. Get off your couch, get off the sidelines. Let's do this. Basically, come to the website, go to the live events page, or go to our kits page here, and you'll see this link. You sign up here, you'll pick out the shoe you want to make, and here's the time and everything. Basically, you just got to bring yourself. We'll bring all the materials, we'll bring all the tools. You just got to bring your hot little hands and a willingness to get into it and make shoes. So, hey, folks, I really appreciate it. We had a good time last time. We made some cool shoes. We met some new people. Please come on down to the studio. We're going to have a good time. Link in the description below. Thanks.